Hey Dr. Givhan, this is Jessica Beatty and I'm showing you how I set up my lab binder. So I started with what is special education and the changing education paradigms video that you showed us because I really liked it, and then I moved, and then in it corresponding in the subtabs are Intro to Special Education, the 6 core principles of IDEA, the Cascade model, the Educational Placement Options and Services, PowerPoint, the landmark cases, and the intelligence test. And then I put in the response to intervention, what is RTI, a tiered approach, helping all students succeed, data-based decision making, and understanding RTI. And I put in a lot of videos and websites. So then moving on to Marzano's instructional strategies. This is the graph PDF chart that you gave us in class, and then also the PowerPoint that we went over. And then I moved on to IEPs. I have an example of one with the, I think it was an anatomy example, the 4 components of an IEP, and then the 8 components, and then the Prezi, which I also really like this Prezi. And then I have barriers. This one is physical environment, like how to change your physical environment for your students in your classroom and them having accessibility. And then I also have pedagogical barriers on how I can change up my teaching and whatnot. And then the third barrier is emotional, but I could not get a video like a YouTube video that I liked, or even an article to upload for some reason. I don't know if it was my internet or what. And then we have trauma-informed classroom, which I was really astounded with. I'd never heard of it before coming into your classroom, and I really liked it, and it really gave me a lot of insight into helping kids who have been traumatized with anything. And I also included the empathy, art of listening in this, because I liked that activity that you did with us. And then how to support students or anyone who has experienced trauma. I really liked this too. It just gave a good visual. And then we have the universal design for learning, and the guidelines worksheet, the strategies, and then pedagogy versus andragogy, or andragogy. And then we have collaboration and cooperative teaching on how to, as the general teacher, work with the special education teacher. I added in the co-teaching videos that you put in there, and the working together, trying to make everyone smile PowerPoint. And then I have differentiated instruction with our Saturday Night Live video that we did a activity with, and then how teachers can differentiate, and then the TCRI rubric that I will be using in internship. And then I also included the Plickers, Poll Everywhere, Powtoons, and Newsella that I really liked. I really liked Newsella and Powtoons the best. I didn't get a chance to look at Plickers and Poll Everywhere. But this is my lab binder, and this is how I did it.